See every single annotation you've made with the Annotation Summary. Toggle the sidebar on with the button on the menu bar. Then, click the speech bubble icon on the right. You will now see a list of all the annotations, their creation dates, who made them, the type of annotations made, and what page of the document it's located at. Clicking on a specific annotation in the sidebar will scroll you to where the annotation is within your document. If you edit any of your annotations, the preview will be updated as well. To close the Annotation Summary view, click the Toggle Sidebar button once more.